So I believe you have got an introduction of the way the confluence will go ahead. We encourage scientific mind, scientific thinking, research oriented approach. At the same time, we are not denying the use of the future trends or technologies that are available in the market, right? Like use of AI and use of any future LLMs. We are uh, for that because the future will be ruled by AI. The only thing is, if we don't know how to use AI, that will be the problematic case in our world, the upcoming world. So, for students, although we are encouraging dependence uh, relief from AI, but again at the same time, we encourage some young minds or some research oriented approach to be a part of this confluence. As a part of that, we are launching the first edition of the Quantum Compendium, the research journal for Quantum Qubit 2025. And this will be the first research journal which is published as a part of this quantum qubit, right? So when you can see the world is getting dependent, for example, when we uh, require ideas, we nowadays it has become a habit to go to chat gpt and even ask for the ideas we should have in our mind. But there are certain situations in which an originality of research, a topic that has been troubling me, or it's a general topic which I have studied while studying for my NEET exams or joint entrance mains or advanced exams. But that topic has been a bit of concern for me, and I find out some loophole in that, or a process in which I can upgrade something or invent something. Maybe not, it's not a viable thing right now, but it may be an approach through which we can look towards the future. So, in this inaugural edition, uh, it will be students, individual students, who will be submitting their research papers or research documents, which generally is not available for school students. We get it in college as a part of the research submissions, that too in the third or fourth year of college. So we are giving that exposure to the students who can submit their own research journals, and it will be a part of, it will be in the format of the IEEE, which is an standard calibrated uh, article for research journals, right? And we can uh, expect a lot of participation for this particular thing. These will be evaluated by an esteemed panel of research scholars or eminent personalities who will be verifying the or ratifying the actual uh, topic for that research, and if selected it will be published in the first research journal, right? And which will be inaugurated on the 31st of July 2025. So just keep in mind, only a spark in your mind can uh, ignite this process, right? And it need not be, although we are encouraging AI, but in this sphere, you can think about an original idea and present it in the form that will be presented to you. It will be given to you the format of presentation, which is an international format that will be given to you. And we encourage everyone to at least submit one or two research articles, which has originality in that idea and has maintained the format. So it will be, again I'm telling you, plagiarism or use the generation of the total topic using AI can be you can say you can say it will not be accepted at all, and we will not forward it to the panel at all for ratification, and only after that it can be ratified. It can be in any fields, uh, any science or technology field, biology, physics, chemistry, or emerging trends, or quantum computing, or quantum mechanics, any of the fields you can use for doing this. Now, this is a place where some of the students get that oxygen which they always wanted out of the syllabus, where they always had something in the mind which they wanted to research on in the future, perhaps. So this is a scope for the students. You can take the help of teachers to research on your project. They can be your mentors, and you can submit that. The last date for submission is latest by 23rd of July, and we can open that. All the other details will be given in the website. The website will be inaugurated, will be available for use in the evening, and it will be notified in the WhatsApp group which will be created right now. And you can go and get in all the details over there. All the format of the presentation or the submission will be there. You'll get a Word document format, so you can just edit that portion which you want in your particular way. Any questions about this research topic? Does anyone have any questions? It can be in any of the scientific and technological fields. Yes. Yes. Yeah, it is just an introduction. We are not talking about the full research paper, right? It's not the full research thesis or the document. It's, yeah, it's an idea that can be propagated later on, and we are trying to get in touch with the eminent people who will be there, so they can forward or take the best of the ideas and mentor them for their future research. Kind of synopsis, the draft will be given to you, right? All the individual sections are also mentioned, right? What are the, basically, whenever you discover something to be invented later on, that research topic as a summary of that in that particular format of the IEEE format, so that we can present, so that at least the students get a preliminary idea of the research things which they have to do anyway in college later on. So this is, I think, one of the things that keeps all of the events or all of the frontiers that we have, they have some kind of different approach which have been designed by the steering committee, teachers, students, and the event heads, right? So they have taken a lot of efforts, and I think all of you can participate in the way you want and in the way your intuition goes towards, right? Let humanity be alive in this world of AI.